Struggling to update a vendor's details in Zoho Books? Learn how to edit a vendor in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Zoho Books and navigate to the vendor list. Then, I'll show you how to edit the vendor name and accounts payable account. All right, start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, on the left sidebar, go ahead and click on Vendors. Now, find the vendor you want to edit and click the arrow down next to their name. From the drop-down that appears, select Edit. In the Vendor Details section, update the vendor name field as needed. Once that's done, also update the vendor name if you need to change it further. This field appears again for confirmation. Next, select an accounts payable account from the drop-down menu. Click on Accounts Payable to open the list and choose the appropriate account. Finally, click Save to apply all your changes. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.